Welcome back to our Python programming course. In this lesson, we'll explore how to install Python and set up the development environment on your computer. Getting your Python environment up and running is an essential first step in your programming journey, so let's dive right in. Python is available for different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. To install Python, you need to visit the official Python website at python.org and download the appropriate installation package for your operating system. Once you've downloaded the installer, simply double-click on it to start the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the necessary steps. Make sure to read and accept the license agreement and choose the installation options that best suit your needs. During the installation, you'll be asked to choose the installation location. By default, Python will be installed in a directory that's suitable for most users. However, if you have specific preferences or requirements, feel free to choose a different location. After the installation is complete, you'll have Python installed on your machine. Now, let's set up a code editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, to write and run Python code. There are several options available, but for beginners, I recommend using a simple text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Let's go ahead and download Visual Studio Code, which is a free, lightweight, and highly extensible code editor. Visit code.visualstudio.com and download the installation package for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Open your code editor. With Python installed and the code editor set up, we're ready to start writing Python code. Create a new file with a.py extension, which is the convention for Python files. This will be your workspace where you'll write your Python programs. Now, let's test our Python installation. In your code editor, type the following simple Python program. Print, hello world. This program will display the message, hello world, when executed. Save the file and run it by clicking the Run or Execute button in your code editor. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the output, Hello, Python, displayed in the output console. Congratulations! You've successfully written and executed your first Python program. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Python, set up a code editor, and configured your development environment. Now you're all set to start your Python programming journey. In the next lesson, we'll delve into the basics of Python programming, starting with variables and data types. So, stay tuned and get ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of Python programming.